Good morning, everyone. It is officially our spring open house weekend here at Groovy Plants Ranch. I'm here before we open. I've opted not to use a microphone so we can all enjoy the sounds of the birds and the wildlife together. You can see the nursery is filling up. It's looking amazing. And this is our first big weekend for putting plants outside. So the nursery looks amazing right now. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough. Grab your coffee or tea and let's explore the ranch a little bit this morning as it begins to really open up for spring and start to look like a garden center again. We're excited. Let's go for a walk. And as we move through the ranch, you can see all kinds of gorgeous plants outside. Here we have all different kinds of blueberries, several varieties to make it super easy for you to get good production. You always want to plant more than one variety. And here we have a great selection, and they're in a pot size that's easy to plant. So I like that a lot. And then right across the table, these are seasonal Sonettis. So these are a cool early season flower. And these are a really great way to get a fairly cold tolerant but super beautiful plant in your planters early in the season. These are going to pair up really well with pansies and other cool loving plants. And you could always combine some perennials in with them too. Some of our hardy outdoor perennials, and make a really nice container garden. Then you could put those perennials in the ground afterward. And it is foggy this morning, but looking good. And you can see still some lovely hellebores outside here. We have moved all the hellebores outside, and look at the perennial tables, gorgeous blocks of color. Here we have an entire table of ground cover sedum, all grown right here at the ranch. Look how beautiful these turned out. And we'll probably cover these one night next week, but these have all been grown cold and we're not worried about it. They look like they're doing great, and if we have plants outside, we're confident that they're ready to be planted. I'm loving this amazing Arctic white Sempervivum. Look at the webbing in there. That's a great super hardy plant. Just so many nice plants out on our tables already. Plenty of great hellebores. If you missed out on the Helleborus hullabaloo, we still have great colors available. And I'll show you a big selection of them. We like to stock these heavy this time of year just because they're such a great early season plant. And if this isn't a sign of spring, I don't know what is. Here we have ground cover phlox starting to crack a little bit of color here. These are those masses that you'll see in early spring where like the whole mailbox, around the mailbox, is completely covered in like neon pink or purple. And that's what these are. So they're just starting to peak a little bit of color. And now that they're outside, it'll take them a little longer to really start to show a lot of color. And so many great plants. It's just great to be outside looking at plants on our tables. This rockfoil is really nice, blooming even outside at 17 degrees. Just didn't bother it one bit. Totally hardy. And we've officially opened up our main greenhouse here to the outside, and some gorgeous pansies. Pansies are very cold tolerant, so a great early season plant to get you through until we start getting into April and May. May is when we have frost-free, mid-May, sometimes mid to late May, and that's when you really start putting in those summer annuals. But for now, these are a great plant that's going to give you a long season of color as we move towards actual spring and summer. And our big reveal here of our groovy mushrooms. These are all made right here by Earthly Pottery Company. Now look at the amazing colors we have this year. And these are our new improved design from last year, where the cap is actually removable. And you can swap those caps out with ghosties and the scullies. And they just look so great. And we have more going out, and plus Mushroom Mile. So each one of these is unique, made from Ohio clay right here in Ohio. And they're nice, durable, really a great product. Look how pretty they are. And the witch hazel's blooming. The beetle moved. Looks like we're gonna get another year out of the beetle. And into the villa we go. Our amazing seed wall with all of your different seeds, all kinds of amazing flowers and vegetables. And we've done a full redesign in here, and we have a very exciting thing coming here soon, so I'll share that with you soon. But it's looking great in here. I'm loving the color. These are all groovy colors, and it was a good winter project for us. All our incense is here, and one of my favorite spots here at the ranch, the Potter Saloon, totally filled up with really nice pottery, all different kinds, all different styles. Just some really beautiful stuff. A lot has changed here at the ranch since you were here last. We've been moving things around, done some building. I'll show you that new greenhouse here soon. I'm not quite ready for the big reveal. Did you know we have this beautiful mural here? It's easy to miss. This was done by Mandy Caskey, or Miss Birdie. We love it. And the gem mine has been officially moved to a new location and will be open for the weekend for all those gem miners out there. And the van's moved as well. A quick run in through the Holler Earth Rock Shop. We have our geode cracker set up, and we've been doing a lot of organizing in here. Chloe's been doing a great job. You'll find Chloe in here on the weekends, and it's just looking so good in here. Super clean and neat and tidy, and so many beautiful things to see. And here's Chloe's Corner. Keep an eye out for that. Chloe is gonna continue doing videos talking about all things rock shop and really give us kind of the science breakdown on some of those amazing stones that we have in there. Let's cruise in the greenhouse. And it is toasty in here, but look how beautiful it is. Just totally lush, loaded out. If this doesn't get you in the planting mood, I don't know what will. It really is a joy to get to work here and escape to this amazing space every day. Some gorgeous peperomias here. Really love that one. I don't know if you've seen Phil, our philodendron. You got to be careful walking by this plant. It'll practically jump out and grab you. This is over 30 years old. Look at that. Really some absolutely beautiful philodendrons right now. A great feature in the greenhouse. Very nice quality. So much to see. Goldfish baskets looking really, really good. And deeper into the greenhouse, the fun continues. Pottery galore, all your terracotta over here in this corner. And here's the prickly parlor. You can get your plants all gussied up. Some fun decorations for your plants. And really looking good all the way throughout. Store looks great right now. All kinds of collector plants, gorgeous orchids of all kinds. And we'll take a quick run through my favorite spot in the whole greenhouse, the whole property, the succulent house. I started my career with cacti and succulents, and I'm really loving our collection right now. We have some pretty rare, hard to find, super unique plants. And we are getting into blooming season for a lot of the cacti. They're starting to bud. A lot of buds showing up. And this house is really cool when they start to flower. So much to see. And if you live out of state or can't make it to the ranch, we have been expanding our online offering for shipping for our houseplants. Every week we're adding new items, and it's gotten pretty extensive. So if you wish you could get some of these plants, be sure to check out our website because it is really starting to fill out. We have a lot of good plants, and a lot of these plants, a lot of the cacti and succulents, a lot of the harder to find stuff, you can get them and have them shipped direct to your door. We've shipped thousands of plants in the past. and we're excited to be bringing back shipping for our massive collection. A lot of nice Easter cactus. You need to come and get these quick. These are a seasonal item for us. And finally, it may not look like much now, but we are filling out our nursery. So you'll be able to get some trees starting this weekend, shrubs, including some fruit trees. So we are going full steam ahead. We are excited. It's going to be a really, really nice weekend for weather. I have to get to work. Store's about to open. Thanks for watching. We'll do it again soon. And stop by this weekend. We'd love to see you.